Hello, this is One Puzzle Studio here, and welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called Robot Reach. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the goal so I can understand what to do, and the second part of the video is me actually solving the puzzle. So let's find out what I need to do. A robot starts at cell 00 on a grid with rows and columns. The robot is able to move one cell at a time. It can only move left, right, up and down, but no diagonals. Every cell in the grid has a value. The value of each cell is the sum of the digits of the row index plus the sum of the digits in the column index. No, it's the sum of the digits of these indices, not the index values. For example, cell 34 has value 7 and cell 1135 has value 10 because 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 10. The robot has a threshold, which is T. It can only visit cells whose value is less or equal to this threshold. For example, if the robot's threshold is 6, it cannot visit 3 and 4, whose value is 7. This is an example of a sample table where row is 5, column is 5, and the threshold is 2. In the sample above, the robot can visit exactly 6 cells, all the ones where the cell value is less than or equal to 2. Given rows, which is 50, columns, which is 50, and the threshold is 18, cell 35 and 7 has row/column digit sums of 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7, which is 18. If the robot could get to 35 and 37, it could land on that cell since 18 is less or equal to the threshold at 18. However, it cannot land on cell 35 and 38 because 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 19, and that is greater than the threshold. Okay, this is the goal. Your job is to compute how many cells can the robot reach if it starts at 00. It can move up and down, left and right, one cell at a time, and wants to visit as much of the grid as possible. So what's the hint? Consider this part of the grid. Right. I'm not going to use JavaScript, I'm going to use PHP. The first line is basically the number of rows in the grid. And the second line is the number of columns in the grid. And the third one is the robot's threshold. And output is basically the integer count of cells the robot can reach. The constraints is basically 1 less than or equal to r, which is less than or equal to 100, and 1 less than or equal to c is less than or equal to 100, and 0 less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 100. There's only 5 test cases, which they want me to do a simple 3x3, a simple 3x3 minus 3, and the other 3 tests. So now the second part of this video begins.